We've all had times when we let our heart rule our head, right? Like when you go to watch your favorite sports team and scream at the referee to get his eyes tested after a poor decision. Or worse, when you lose the game and you call for the coach to be sacked as a knee-jerk reaction. You just can't help it. Emotional intelligence, or EI, is having the skill to look at our reactions to emotive situations and think about them in a logical way. Confused? Don't panic. It's actually not as mind-blowing as it sounds. EI is all about using logical reasoning and managing your emotions rather than acting instinctively because of how a situation makes you feel. EI is really important for things like relationships, knowing when you are wrong and how to act in certain situations. So when your partner comes in with a new haircut, you should remember to use your EI before you make a comment. Incidentally, "It looks great" is the only acceptable comment if you don't want to spend the night on the sofa. Situations like this, both in and out of work, can really invoke strong emotions, but reacting to them negatively can get us into hot water, be detrimental to the way we work, and have repercussions for ourselves and the team around us. Those repercussions could be a reprimand from your boss, a scolding from your angry partner, again, or worse, physical violence from someone that doesn't control their EI very well. Best to steer clear of those ones.